Now, what if I want to say that, you know my type, like my data structure should not be, no, should not contain any, no, as you see, if you can see, there are repeated items in this particular data structure, right? You see that this is the data type, which is tuple, which can accept repeated values. True. And this cannot be altered since it is an immutable. Now, what exactly, I want a data type where no repetition should be allowed. I don't want any fake entries. For example, you see something called gaming profiles. For example, as we are dealing much about gaming profiles and all, see, do you see that the username, if you type the username and all, if you enter, if your name is already taken by some other person, it shows that this name is already taken. True. It doesn't want any duplicates to be allowed, you know. So in that case, what kind of data type which is there in Python which do not allow any duplicates? That's how a data type comes into the picture called sets. Set is a data type. Okay. Set is a data type which is nothing but unordered collection of unique objects. It is an unordered collection of unique objects. That means, what do you mean by unordered? That means the elements of these data types are stored randomly in the space of the memory. And what I told you, it is a collection of unique objects. That means it does not allow any duplicates. And how do I represent a set? Sets can be represented as like this. It can be represented as like this. And if you want to print this, and you can execute this. See, you got this. As I told you, as I told you, it should not allow any duplicates, right? You know, see, it is not allowing any duplicates, right? For example, if I want to create a set, okay, if I want to create a set, my set should contain, oh, sorry, only names, user names. Basically, it should not be repeated, right? Rishika, okay, Nikhil, okay, Abhyaka, okay. And if I would like to repeat this name, okay, Abhyaka, okay, and if I execute this, see, if I execute this, what can you expect? If you run this code, you see that the duplicates are not allowed in this particular list. Yeah. Now, you have created something called list of, no, you have collected all those details and all, and if you would like to add a few more names to this particular, data type, this collection object, okay, how can I do that? I use something called add method to add something called a name to it. And if you run this, okay, it has been there, created there itself. That's the reason it is created. None. If I would like to print my set, and if I run this, see, did you get it? The name has been added to the set. Clear? Since it is also a data type, a data structure, which has its own methods as well. So your work is given today on this data type methods. So the set has its own data type. Sorry, set
Yes.
set data type has its own methods for which you have to go through your own Google kind of stuff where you have to learn certain methods of the list. Clear?